Alright, I am in a 2010 Chevy Malibu. I'm about to do a quick 0 to 60 run, and it's an LTZ. It's got a pretty nice interior. It's a 4-cylinder motor, and it's not that fast, but we'll see what she does here. This is not brake torquing or anything. This is just matting the gas pedal from a dead stop. Here she goes. 3, 2, 1, go. And that's about it. As you can see, not the fastest thing in the world, but it's definitely a fun little car. Only thing I don't like about it is you can't fully turn the StabiliTrak off. Kind of kicks in when you take a corner hot. And that's about it.